Hi everyone! Today we're checking out the PureCozy Gray Area Rug, perfect for any room in your home. This rug features a classic vintage style with a trendy faded look and unique retro pattern. Made from durable polypropylene, it's power-loomed for high traffic areas and includes a non-slip TPR rubber backing. It's soft and kid and pet-friendly, resisting dirt while standing up to daily wear. Cleaning is simple with vacuuming, sweeping, or even machine washing in cold water without bleach. When you first unroll it, just fold and press the rug to remove creases and let it fluff up. Add a cozy, stylish touch to your living space with this easy care, versatile rug. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.